Hi there, I'm Jamie from Medifab, and I'm here today to give you an introduction to our new bathroom chair, the Sharky. The Sharky is a compact, easy-to-use bathroom chair for children who require postural support to meet their hygiene care needs safely. A very helpful feature of the Sharky is that it can be easily swapped between the toilet, shower and bath without the need for any tools or adjustments. This makes the Sharky a very versatile and supportive solution, no matter what area of the bathroom a child wants to access. The Sharky offers an impressive range of comfortable and durable postural supports, which ensure that the child is always kept well positioned during their bathroom and care time. The chair has tilt, back recline and leg elevation functions which can easily be adjusted using the one-handed mechanism. The other hand then is free to guide the chair to the desired position. Easy height adjustment makes the Sharky adjustable to the needs of parents and caregivers of different heights, or to suit the environmental needs within the bathroom. To make cleaning as easy as possible, the Sharky comes with a removable rear seat section to improve access for hygiene and cleaning. Getting improved access for care means a child can remain seated whilst being cleaned and avoid unnecessary transfers, especially when wet. The Sharky's compact design and folding base is a huge space saver for busy households. This means that when it's not in use, it can be folded away so that more of the bathroom is available for others.